Good day, everyone. Today we're gonna continue our discussion about Internet of Things. And today's lecture is what is automation? Automation is any process that is self-driven and reduces, then eventually eliminates the needs for human intervention. Automation was once confined to the manufacture industry. Highly repetitive tasks such as automobile assembly were turned over to machines and the modern assembly line was born. Machines are excellent to repeating the same task without fugit and without the errors that humans are prone to make in such a jobs. Example of automation. We have smart car technology. Most of today's new motor vehicles have integrated technology that assists drivers to be safer on the road. Technology exists to that prevents drivers from drifting into adjacent lines or making unsafe lines changes. System automation automatically apply the brakes if a vehicle ahead of them stops or slows suddenly. These safety technologies uses a combination of hardware and a software to identify safety risk and to take action to avoid a crash. And the other example is the smart city. What do Hamburg, Barcelona, Nice City, Cooper, and Manchester City have in common? They are all smart cities that use digital technology to make their city a better place to live. Some of these cities use technology to reduce carbon emissions or monitor CO2 levels. Others use technology to provide free city-wide Wi-Fi accesses, improve public safety, or improve transportation options. New intelligence. Less things to do. Have you ever heard about artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the intelligence demonstrated by machines. This is a construct to nature intelligence, which is the intelligence displayed by living organisms. All uses intelligent agents that can perceive their environment and make decisions that maximize the probability of obtaining a specific goal or object. All refer systems that concretify functions normally associated with human minds, such as learning and problem solving. ML in the IoT, which is referred to the machine learning. One of the features of the IoT is that enables the collection of extremely large pools of data that can teach program how to respond in a certain conditions. Some of the more common uses of machine learning technology includes speech recognitions. Many different companies now offer digital assistants which allow you to use speech to communication with the computer system and product recommendation. System build up a customer profile and recommended products or services on reviews patterns. Shape recognition program existed that allows crude hand draw diagram and notes to be converted to more formal diagram and text. Credit card fraud detection. A profile is constructed about the precision patterns of a client. Facial recognition. Security cameras are everywhere, from stores and streets to airports and transportation hubs. Intent-based networking. For businesses to survive, it must agile and respond quickly to the needs and demands of its customers. Businesses are increasingly dependent on sources to meet customer demands. The underlying IT network must also responsive enough to quickly adapt to these requirements. How are machine learning, artificial intelligence, and IPN linked? Intent-based network harness the power of automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning to control the functions of a network accomplish a specific purpose or intent. Intent-based network allows IT teams to specify in plain language exactly what they want the network to accomplish, and the network makes it happen. The network is able to translate the intent into policies and then uses automation to deploy the appropriate configuration required across the network. The intent based network uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to ensure that any services that are deployed meet the required services level. If they do not meet the services level, the intent-based network can make alerts and provide suggestions for improvement. In some cases, the intent-based network can automatically reconfigure the network to compile with the services levels. That was all for today. Thank you.